I don't know what he's doing down there.
Round one. Ready, go!
Oh no, we dropped it.
Round two. Ready, go!
Ready? Whenever I get tired of saying this, guys, the more you put into something, the more you're gonna get out. There's no excuses, guys. Keep fighting what you love, you know, keep going, keep moving forward. Got my son right in front of me just saying, oh, he's pissed. Never give up, guys. There's always time for everything. Even when you got kids, even when you know you got 2 jobs, there's always time for something positive. Because if you make time to go out and party, to go out and drink, to freaking sleep an extra hour, then you definitely can take 1 hour out of your day and work out and live healthy. Alright, guys, like I always say, fam, it's not just about the car, guys. Stay sexy out there. No excuses.